Well, this was going to be a PSA for, the youth of America, or just middle-aged women who have never gotten to this level of adulthood yet. Basically, so I just had my kitchen sprayed for, cockroaches. It's not me, it's the rest of the building. It's like every 3 years it has to be sprayed. But I'm a clean aholic. I'm not a clean freak. I'm not a neat freak. I'm not a germaphobe. But I clean constantly. I have 19 windows in my apartment, and they're the slat style. You can see on there. So basically, LA filth just gets in your windows anyways, but mine really gets in, so I clean constantly. I could not live my life without a Dyson. Also, I'm coming to this level of adulthood that I've never even considered, where I'm needing a second appliance. This is my first refrigerator I've owned, my first washer and dryer that I've purchased, warranted, and it's coming to the time where they're dying, and I can't believe it. So, however, I did talk them into getting a stove with the apartment 12 years ago when I moved in, but I've never cleaned it because I just never did that, never needed to do that. I'm not a big cooker, I'm not a big chef, baker, or anything like that. Just the occasional lasagna or, frozen pizzas and stuff like that. Okay. We need to talk about this stuff, and I'm not kidding. Cleaning the oven is like insane. So just a tiny little backstory right now that I'm extremely interested in World War I and World War II. I have never cared to even think about them in any way, but now I'm obsessed, and so everything I talk about lately is sort of related to like a battlefield or something war related, just to give you a little bit of perspective where I'm coming from right now. So I bought this a while ago because what started happening is when I would make the frozen pizza, it would like the fire alarm would go off, and it's like if you have an animal, if you have a pet, oh my god, fire alarm is like the worst thing in the world. So I knew that there was a problem, so the instructions on the easy off heavy duty, okay, they were pretty simple. Just preheat to 250 or 200, wear long rubber gloves, open the oven, spray this shit everywhere, start at the top, go to the sides, back, put newspaper down. I was like, newspaper, that's funny. But, and I did that, and then it was like I was gassed. It was like I was in World War I, and I was just like gassed. Pepper sprayed, just consumed. I was coughing, I couldn't breathe. Instantaneous, like choking. Slammed the oven, turned on the fans, opened all the doors, like just couldn't. It was for two rooms. It was poison. And I just cannot warn you about it enough, and it's like, it's insane what's going on now, and this level, of filth that is coming off of here, like I've never in my life experienced this. It's like, you'd think I'm baking like pot roasts in here every day or something, or like, I get it, 12 years is like a long time, but I like barely cooked, and it's just like black filth, like everywhere, like sickening. I don't know. And then I think my washer, part of the reason it may be on the fritz, nothing will come out white anymore. Like no matter how much bleach, no matter if it's just all bleach and like one t-shirt that's white, it'll make it gray. And I've done everything that I can think of, but I think that there was like some kind of maintenance, like some kind of trap, some kind of drain or something that maybe had this whole time been needing to be like, you know what I'm saying? Like, checked on regularly, but I didn't know that. I don't know. No young person is going to listen to me or care, but I wish I'd known that about that washer, and I could have kept better condition, of it, because I miss having white things. I don't like the weird gray tie-dye that it does on its own. It makes me feel dirty, like a dirty person. Oh my god, I just cannot believe that this place is falling apart, you guys. Beautiful, but it's falling apart. I'm selling everything I own. I'm just gonna do it on like YouTube live. Whenever I feel like it, but I can't believe it. Anyways, I'm a warning. Wear your mask if you're gonna use this, and use it soon. Just clean your oven before it's too late. So, I wish you the best of luck. Oh, I have something else to tell you about later. A little contraption in the kitchen.